everyone. Straydog Bill Arnold, co-founder of Straydog No-Kill Dog Shelter and Sanctuary at straydog.org, also known as Straydog Billy. I have my YouTube channel, and here again today with my daughter Erin. We're doing song number 1695, and 1695 days in a row. I haven't missed yet, doing one song every day since August 7th of 2020, almost 5 years now. And we're going to keep on doing one song every day until homeless dogs and cats are no longer killed, no longer euthanized in the kill shelters across our country. All shelters need to become no-kill dog shelters, and they will eventually once we get a hold of conception in the dog and cat world, and that's done. Conception control in the dog and cat world is done through spay and neuter. So please, everybody, spay and neuter your pets, and let's end this horrible problem. Just last year in 2024, about 2,000 per day were euthanized in the shelters across our entire nation. Now, some states are no-kill states already, so that's good. But there's still a lot of states that aren't, and that's 2,000 a day adds up to 730,000 just last year. So anyway, we got to get control of conception in the dog and cat world, and that's done through spay and neuter. Good morning, Erin.
Hey, Pop.
And you're going to...
Oh, yeah, there's a low-cost spay and neuter clinics, hopefully in your area. Just Google them.
Yeah, and so if you can't afford to go to the vet, or you think you can't, you can go to one of these clinics and get it done a lot cheaper. Okay, today we're going to do John Prine's Speed of the Sound of Loneliness. Are you ready?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, here we go. Yeah. Here we go. 3, 4. Come home late, come home early. Come on big when you're feeling strong. Come home straight, come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Well, I got a heart that burns with a fever. I got a word in a dumbest mind. How can a love that'll last forever get left so far behind? What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed and the sound of loneliness. Out there running just to be on the run. Guitar. It's a mighty mean and a dreadful sorrow. Cross the evil line today. How can you ask about tomorrow? We ain't got one word to say. What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed and the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. Please, everybody, spay and neuter your pets, and we'll be back
What about
again.
adopting from an animal shelter and saving a precious life?
Oh, well, we were at the end. Okay, okay. Yes, we've been. Yes, please adopt from an animal shelters. Spay and neuter your own pets. Share this video and subscribe.